Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best blind hole bearing puller is probably one of the most important tools for mechanics and DIY enthusiasts who frequently work on machinery and equipment with bearings mounted in blind holes. This video will not only review the best blind hole bearing pullers on the market but also guide you through the essential factors to consider when choosing the right one for your specific needs, ensuring efficient and damage-free bearing removal every time. Number 5. Orion Motor Tech Bearing Puller Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to tackle various bearing removal tasks. It includes a slide hammer, adapters, and collets to handle a wide range of sizes. Built to last, it's made from high-quality materials. The durable design ensures it can withstand even the toughest jobs, providing long-lasting performance. This versatile set works on a variety of vehicles and parts. It easily removes axles, bearings, and bushings without causing damage. With its simple design, it's easy to use. Just select the right collet, attach it, and pull to remove the bearing or bushing. The included case keeps everything neatly organized and portable. It makes storage and transport a breeze. It's designed to work on a wide range of bearing sizes, from 6mm to 59mm. This ensures it's suitable for many different applications. What we like. This comprehensive kit has all the tools you need for various bearing sizes. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, even on tough jobs. If you work on many different vehicles or need a versatile set, this is the one for you. What people say. It has every size I need and the some. Durable and strong and work well. I don't write reviews that often, but I just received this and was able to remove both bearings and brass sintered bearings from a closed shaft. Lots of ways to remove bearings, but 2mm thick brass bushings are really an acid test for a tool like this. More importantly, the removal of these bushings did not scratch or mar the internal finish of the shaft. Very impressive. This thing worked like a charm to pull some blind bearings on my truck's front end. Like another review mentioned, I disassembled the threaded puller frame and switches the bearing around and added some white lithium grease, and it made a huge improvement. Number 4. Alltooetools Bearing Puller Kit. This comprehensive kit makes removing even the toughest bearings a breeze. Its durable construction and versatile design are perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It's built to last. The strong chrome-molybdenum steel ensures it can handle even the most stubborn bearings and bushings. Say goodbye to damaged parts. This kit's design ensures even pulling, preventing damage during removal. With 10 different collets, it fits a wide range of applications. You'll be prepared for any job. Everything you need is included: a sliding hammer, puller, screw adapters, and counterstay puller. Plus, a set of collets to fit various bearing sizes. The kit includes collets ranging from 8mm to 58mm, ensuring compatibility with a wide variety of bearings. No more searching for the right tool. What we like. Made from tough chrome-molybdenum steel, it tackles even the most stubborn bearings. The various collets fit a wide range of applications. If you prioritize strength and ease of use, this puller is a great choice. What people say. The tool works really well for pulling bearings. Lots of options and will be really helpful for my projects. I have used this tool multiple times and have found it to work very well. The tool has been very reliable and does as described. I have removed very small, hard-to-reach bearing that have been pressed into a cavity. I have used it on crank bearings on a motorcycle and it worked fantastic also. This set was ordered to remove a stubborn outside race on a BMW motorcycle final drive. It was just the ticket and worked perfectly fine. It comes with both a threaded press and a slide hammer, so the versatility is there from a tool and size standpoint. Number 3. DAYUAN Blind Hole Puller Set. This comprehensive kit makes removing bearings a breeze, whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast. It's designed for efficiency and ease of use on a variety of applications. It includes collets ranging from 8 to 58mm, ensuring it can handle a wide range of bearing sizes. You'll always have the right tool for the job. The collets are crafted from high-quality chrome-molybdenum steel for superior strength and longevity. This ensures it will stand up to even the toughest jobs. This set is perfect for removing pilot bushes, bearings, and more from blind housings. Its versatility makes it an invaluable addition to any toolbox. Whether you're a seasoned professional or tackling a DIY project, this kit offers the precision and reliability you need. It simplifies a challenging task, saving you time and effort. The kit comes with various screw adapters, M6X 1.0P, M8X 1.25P, M10X 1.5P, to ensure compatibility with a wide range of applications. This ensures a secure and effective removal process. With 16 pieces, this kit provides everything you need for efficient bearing removal. It's a complete solution, eliminating the need for multiple tools. What we like. Suitable for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, it offers a range of sizes to handle various bearing types. It's a practical and efficient solution for your bearing removal needs. If you need a reliable tool for various tasks, this is a good option. What people say. Used to pull axle bearings out of front axle of 2006 Silverado 4x4. Super easy with plenty of room to work. This tool is awesome. Makes removing blind bushings much easier for transmission rebuilds. This bearing puller worked great. Used it to work on a 2006 Honda Recon and it got the job done. Number 2. DASBET 16 PCS Bearing Puller Kit. This comprehensive kit is designed for efficient and safe bearing removal. It's perfect for various vehicles and bearing sizes. It handles bearings with bores ranging from 8 to 53 mm. This makes it incredibly versatile for many applications. Simply insert the correct collet, expand it securely within the bearing, and use the slide hammer for removal. Repeat as needed. This tool is designed for quick removal without damaging the parts or the tool itself. It's ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Made of durable carbon steel, it's built to handle even the toughest jobs. The hardened steel and rust-proof finish ensure longevity. The kit comes with a convenient carrying case for easy transport and storage. Keep your tools organized and readily accessible. What we like. This heavy-duty puller is built to last, ensuring quick and efficient bearing removal without damaging parts. The included case makes storage and transport a breeze. If you value durability and convenience, this is a smart choice. What people say. I needed a puller to remove axle bearings on a Crown Victoria. I was very pleased by the quality and completeness of the kit. I started out using the slide hammer, which was way too light for the job. I went to plan B and used the provided U-shaped bearing puller and it worked perfectly. My wife was swapping out motors in her Jeep and the motor she got as a replacement had a pilot bearing in it. So we ordered this set and all I can say is it got the job done, with everything fitting perfectly. I was surprised that it held up to the abuse I put it through. That bearing was seized in there bad. Had to pull a bushing on an automatic transmission with the transmission still in the vehicle, so needed a tool like this for that job. All I can say is that it worked very well for my application, and seems well made, and plenty sturdy. All the parts were there, nice case, got me out of my jam. Number 1. OTC 4581 Bearing Puller Set. This bearing puller set makes removing even the most stubborn bearings a breeze. It's perfect for a wide range of applications and will save you time and frustration. It comes with 4 different sized collets, allowing you to tackle various bearing sizes. Simply select the right collet for your job. Using it is simple. Just insert the collet, expand it to fit the hole, and attach the slide hammer. The included 2-to-1 2-pound slide hammer with T-handle provides the power you need to remove even the most tightly fitted bearings. The T-handle gives you great leverage and control. It all comes in a blow-molded plastic case, keeping everything organized and protected. This makes it easy to transport and store. From 7/16" to 1/1/4", this set handles a wide variety of bearing sizes. It's a must-have for any mechanic or DIY enthusiast. What we like. This set offers precise collet sizes for accurate fitting and removal. The slide hammer provides extra leverage for difficult bearings. If you need precision in a well-organized kit, this is the ideal option. What people say. If you're buying this tool to remove rotary valve bearings from Sea-Doo jet ski cases, it works great. Tool and attachments feel great, feels like a quality tool. Bearing came out with ease, very impressed. Well made and easy to use. Make sure to locate the tool properly, shoulder back side of bearing, and maintain tightness on the collet. Purchased this tool for removing worn-out bearings from idler bearings on mail processing equipment. 4581-1 is an exact fit to SKF 6001 bearing. Thousands of bearing assemblies will be rebuilt at a lesser cost with the help of this tool. Knowledge of proper usage of slide hammers should give many years of service. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.